Thank you for coming, ladies and gentlemen. You are all about to witness the dawning of a new age. The power of a sun is now ours. Wait, a minor hiccup. Nothing to be alarmed about. What? Get out of here, you maniac!
Oh, man.
Hey there, Spider-Man. Looking sharp as always. All right, listen up, Fancy Pants. Let's run through the basics just in case you're not that bright. No offense. Now it's time to test your swinging skills. See this web thingy? You can swing from it. Give it a whirl and press your mom. Just aim the mouse at the web target, then left-click to fire your web. Easy as toast. Now hit the next one. Oh, that was great, yeah. Delightful. Nice move. You see that arrow-shaped arrow over your head? Yeah, the arrow? Yeah, that one. There, the arrow. Right. Swing! Okay, Swingy. Time to get down from there. Just right-click to drop. Now, you're a wall crawler, right? All right, so let's crawl up some walls. Right-click to jump onto the wall, then use your direction keys to crawl. Make your way up to the checkpoint. It's that weird-looking doodad there. I'm not going anywhere, don't freak out. Delightful. Now let's practice zipping. Aim for that sign over there and zip across to the checkpoint. How hard can it be, right? Go ahead. Come on, fascinate me. Your mother and I are very proud. Now, let's try your double jump. Just click your right mouse button twice and double jump up to that next checkpoint. Come on, hop to it. How about zipping over there to the checkpoint in the danger zone? Adventure awaits. In a loose sense. Remember your spider sense? It's like your own personal alarm system. When it starts going nuts, you better take evasive action by hitting the right... Jump! 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 Easy as toast. to attack. Get close, then left click. Poo-poo! Okay, here comes the welcome wagon. Let's see you pummel 'em senseless. It'll be cool and funny.
Come on, spider bum.
If you want to jump kick, just right-click when you're close to your prospective kick
You
E.
and me.
You, the kicker, can kick the kick E and the face E. Not too shabby, Spidey. You know how to swing, zip, crawl, and fight. Group hug. Next up, something else.
This looks promising. Maybe I better. Uh-oh, I better hurry.
Thanks, Spider-Man.
This is pretty fast for a family van. What kind of mileage you get?
Here we are, boys. The city prison.
Help! Tear gas in Tower 1! Send backup! It's a breakout!
Mind if I lend a hand?
Nice move, man.
Great, more thugs. I was starting to get restless.
Hey, watch it!
Sounds like trouble.
Almost in range. Engage the containment grid now. You are being detained by the New York State Department of Corrections.
I better hurry.
Do not move. Get him to ram the energy field. The electricity will stun him.
I'm gonna clobber you for that, punk! Just keep talking, chump!
Heads up! Incoming!
Breaking the containment grid.
Ow! You're only making me angrier! Stand still so I can smear you, wall crawler!
Here, Rhino. Think fast.
Losing power.
Ow! No! Stop it! You're only making me angrier! Just keep talking, chump!
Heads up! Incoming!
Ow! You're only making me angrier!